किया जाता है और इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं कि भारतीय साहित्य और संस्कृति की छवि को उभार कर लाने में उन सभी का बहुमूल्य योगदान है। इन संतों में से एक हैं आचार्य तुलसी जी। ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास स्थित जेवीबी प्रेक्षा मेडिटेशन सेंटर ने हाल में उनकी जन्म जयंती मनाई। ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास में जैन समुदाय को एक सूत्र में बांधती संस्था जेवीबी प्रेक्षा मेडिटेशन सेंटर सदस्यों ने बड़े चाव और हर्ष उल्लास के साथ अपने अध्यात्म गुरु आचार्य तुलसी जी की जन्म जयंती मनाई। जैनिज्म अहिंसा, अमन, सद्भावना और भाईचारे का संदेश देता है। आचार्य तुलसी जी अक्सर इन सिद्धांतों पर जोर दिया करते थे। युवा वर्ग जैन धर्म की गहराइयों को समझे और अध्यात्म गुरुओं द्वारा प्रदान की गई दीक्षा और शिक्षा का पालन करे, इस उद्देश्य से इस समारोह का आयोजन किया गया। इस अवसर पर श्रद्धालुओं को संबोधित करने ह्यूस्टन मेयर एनी स्पार्कर को बतौर मुख्य अतिथि आमंत्रित किया गया। कार्यक्रम के दौरान वार्षिक ज्ञानशाला पत्रिका का भी विमोचन किया गया।
On this morning, we are launching a new publication, Connect to Basics and Beyond, which has been conceived and produced through the creative energies of our very own young people of Gyanshala here at JVB Houston.
I think it would be a good idea, meditation, and there are many paths or methods of meditation. It is all worthy, and I'd love to have the opportunity to explore whether we could do some of this at City Hall.
I'm with Nikhil Jain. He's the president of JVB Preksha Meditation Center here in Houston, Texas. Nikhilji, you have organized today's event with Mayor of Houston, Anis Parker's presence here today as well. Tell us a little bit about Acharya Tulsi and his achievements.
Acharya Tulsi was a great leader. He did a lot of work for humanity. And the biggest thing which I'm impressed is the Anuvrat movement which he started in India. It was like small thing you implement in your life and make your life better and make the community better.
To summarize meditation, what happens is everybody wants to live happy, healthy and peacefully. But what happens is in our day-to-day life, we forget that everything is impermanent. Everything is changes. So this is law of nature. Everything in nanosecond keeps changing. And we get stuck to the thinking that it's a permanent thing, but it changes. So either we can live suffering through these things or we can pass through. So the art is that if you bring equanimity, understand that everything is going to change in nanosecond, somebody abuses you, you just ignore it. But the whole idea is we have conscious mind and subconscious mind. And subconscious mind has been probed over years and years for so long. So you have to rewind that subconscious mind. So once you start understanding that everything is impermanent, everything will go away, and if you are in equanimity, samta, which we call in Hindi, then the life is very, very easy, happy.
Manisha Gandhi for TV Asia here in Houston, Texas at JVB Preksha Meditation. Today our honorary guest was Mayor Anis Parker at the Acharya Tulsi's centennial celebration here and the launch of Gyanshala magazine by the youth of JVB Preksha Meditation. Once again, Manisha Gandhi for TV Asia with cameraman Gautam Jani in Houston, Texas.